I'm a big fan of Camel Toe. What do you think about it? Can you give me any thoughts? Let's score spot on that.
Camel Toe. How do you feel about Camel Toe, dude?
Avoid it at all costs.
Great question. Thank you.
You have a question? You have a real question? All right, there you go.
Right here. Everybody give it up for that man on stage. Right there, y'all.
Thank you.
Charlie.
Yes.
Obviously, we're all here. You're here. All of this is going on, right?
Yes.
All of this attention is on you right now in your life. But I'm getting to the point right now. I want you to tell me, in your words, what's your legacy going to be? What's going to be on your tombstone, man?
What's going to be on my tombstone? Good question. That's kind of a big question. What's going to be on your